Welcome back to Beyond the Bling, weekend hacks for gemstone lovers. Today, we're getting up close and personal with the metal that gives the phrase pretty in pink a whole new meaning: rose gold. Specifically, we're cracking the code on a question that sparks endless debate in the jewelry world. What is the difference between 14 karat and 18 karat rose gold? Is one truly better than the other, or is it all a matter of taste? Stick around, because we're about to tell you exactly how to choose the perfect pink metal for your next purchase. The pink metal mix. Here's the deal. Pure gold is 24 carats, and it's a gorgeous, sunny yellow color. But it's also extremely soft. To make it durable enough for everyday jewelry, and to get that luscious rose hue, it has to be mixed with other metals. This process is called creating an alloy. Now, what makes gold rose gold? It's all about the secret ingredient: copper. Copper is a reddish-brown metal, and the more copper you add to the alloy, the pinker and redder the final gold product becomes. The amount of pure gold in the mixture is what determines its karat value. That's the K you see stamped on your jewelry. 14 karat, the durable workhorse. Let's start with 14 karat rose gold. 14 karat means that out of 24 parts, 14 parts are pure gold. That's about 58.3% gold. The remaining 10 parts, or 41.7%, is the alloy, which is primarily copper, sometimes with a little silver or zinc mixed in. Why is 14 karat so popular, especially for engagement rings and pieces you wear every day? Because of its strength. With a higher percentage of those stronger base metals, 14 karat gold is more resistant to scratches and dents. This durability makes it a fantastic, practical choice for active lifestyles. Here's a little known fact. Because it has more copper in its mix, 14 karat rose gold often has a slightly more saturated, darker pink or reddish tone than its 18 karat cousin. If you love a rich, deep, rosy color, 14 karat might just be your winner. It's also typically the more budget-friendly rose gold option because it contains less of the precious metal. 18 karat, the pure luxury. On the flip side, we have 18 karat rose gold. This means 18 parts out of 24 are pure gold, a beautiful 75% gold content. The remaining 25% is the alloy, again, mostly copper. Prepare to be amazed. This higher percentage of pure gold means 18 karat rose gold is closer to the original yellow color, so it tends to have a slightly softer, paler, or more subtle pink shade. This is the ultimate choice for a luxurious, high-end feel. The trade-off for this beautiful purity? 18 karat gold is softer than 14 karat. While still durable enough for jewelry, it's more prone to showing scratches over time. It's a wonderful choice for pieces that aren't subject to heavy daily wear, or for those who prioritize the highest gold purity they can get in a colored alloy. Final choice: karat, color, or coin. So, when you're standing at the jewelry counter, how do you choose? If durability and a slightly richer pink color are your top priorities, and you want a great price, go with 14 karat rose gold. If gold purity and a slightly more subtle, luxurious hue are what you're looking for, then 18 karat rose gold is your answer. Ultimately, both are beautiful, genuine gold alloys. There's no wrong choice, only the right fit for your budget, your lifestyle, and your personal style. Thanks for joining us for another edition of Beyond the Bling. We hope this has given you the confidence to pick the perfect pink. If you enjoyed this gemstone hack, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the International Gem Society for more incredible insights. We truly appreciate your support. Keep on sparkling.